Hi, this is Shannon with Blissful Honeymoons and Destination Weddings, and today I am at Dreams Natura in the Riviera Maya Mexico, which is an all-inclusive, all-ages resort, about 20 minutes or so from the Cancun airport. We're going to be actually talking about pools and the rest of the resort, but you can see our other vlogs on this property, beach and wedding information at Shan Honeymoons at blissfulhoneymoons.com or travelbyblissful.com for any of our social. All right, so let's get into it. So this again is the pools. So as you can see, the layout of the property is kind of like a horseshoe. And this is it. So all the rooms, you're gonna have a choice of, for the most part, most rooms are partial ocean view or direct ocean view. Most of the room categories. This property is, though it looks kind of small in the layout, it's more boutique. I mean, it's very easy to get from A to B. It's a great property if you have, like older kids. You can let them run and don't have to worry about them. There's nowhere they can go off the property, really, unless they want to be walking for miles in mangroves. So it's great as far as location goes and security and whatnot. But there's a lot packed into this resort for being a smaller resort, I would say. So this is one of the pools that we're looking at, the main pools. It overlooks the ocean, so infinity, which I really like. And it is February, and the resort is at 100% occupancy. It was very full, and by the time 11 noon comes around, but not full where you can't find personal space, kind of full. So this is kind of a beach bar. Swings are always fun. Now right now there's construction going on. It's not, nothing is closed, and we were in the pool yesterday and we didn't really hear any, like nothing obnoxious construction or any drills or anything like that. So I'm not really sure what they're doing in there, but it looked like it was very temporary and more decorative. But this currently, all the pools are separated, and we're actually in the swim-up bar here of the main swim-up bar. Let me get you a drink. I'm just kidding. So there's seats on the other side of this. Let's walk up and around and take a look at the adults only pool. Actually, because this is under construction, I don't think I can get to it from here. We might have to walk. Yeah, we have to walk the beach. Well, what a terrible situation to be in. We have to go to the beach. All right, I'm gonna jump. A little bit of gymnastics for me this morning. Okay, you have to watch our other vlogs on the beach. I'll just do a quick pan for you here. It's a beautiful morning. And again, I'm only having to take this route because of the temporary construction. This is a very lively resort. Lots of entertainment last night. Tons of restaurants for our dreams. And really good food. I ate at the Portofino, which is the Italian, and given my job, I get to go to a lot of Dreams resorts, and this Portofino I've eaten at many times at other resorts, and they're all good, but this one was like really good. Really stood out to me. Okay, almost there. All right, so here we are, the other side of the main swim-up bar. And this gets, again, pretty lively during the day. This is a hot tub back here, or jacuzzi. And it is hot, it's warm. That's great. And the pools are heated, which is a huge note. Also, huge note, it's 7 o'clock in the morning and chairs have mostly already been claimed. So it is February, again, 100% occupancy. You do have to play the beach chair game if you want a, pool chair. These were actually almost full, claimed by 6:30 when I was out here just a little while ago. Which is why you definitely want to upgrade to the preferred club section. That's this pool. However, note it is for adults only. So the preferred section pool found plenty of chairs yesterday at. And right now it is under construction. One of my personal things that I'm a pool person. You'll know if you're a pool person or a beach person, right? I'm actually a pool person, but my personal preference is I have to have a pool where I can overlook the ocean. Then I'm totally happy. I'll stay in the pool all day. So there's a lot of people out there like that, and a lot of people that want to sit at the beach. But if you are a pool person, then that's an important note for me. Right now, this is construction, like I said before, so you can't really see the ocean, but when that comes down, you can see the ocean. So just a little note on that. And there is beach service, pool service, pool service, and a pool butler that come around and serve drinks all day. And again, the water is heated, which we're having a cold spell for February here, which again, I'm in the Midwest, so cold spell, it's like 60s, and during the day it's high 70s. So it's great for us still. But for here, it's a little cold, so if the pools are not heated, then the pools can be very, very cold. But this one, they're all heated, which is really nice, which is my point. Okay, so we're going to take a quick look at this pond area, which is stocked with koi fish. Just kind of nice little decorative. Sad they have to have a sign there that says don't feed the fish. You think that'd be a given. Here's another private event space, fantastic for like a cocktail reception, for a smaller party, corporate incentive group. String lighting already included. We probably do a small reception here. We're gonna walk over to the other. Well, let's just stop and take a look because we'll come back and go up the lobby, but that's the lobby area. And a lot of the restaurants are on the ground floor, second floor, up back through there, and over here. This is a splash pad. Actually, at night it lights up. You can see pictures and videos in our photo galleries, but the water streams up and does like a light show. Up here, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get up there today, but is another private event space great for weddings. There was a wedding up there last night. I captured a few videos and photos of that. And that would be on top of the Blue Water Grill. This is the Blue Water Grill, which is a seafood restaurant. Okay, here's another pool. Well, I don't think I'm going to be able to get to the other one without swimming there. So this is where the water slides end up. Quite the little water park here, and a zip line. Super fun. And we're going to take one more walk over to this pool. All of the activities happen over here during the daytime. Activity team, they come out and do their thing. So Excuse me. It's in my throat. I keep clearing my throat. It's probably really annoying on video. So the pool chairs are starting to be cleaned. I watched a lot of kids yesterday, a lot of families, and I think this is a great property for quick stays and for families. And if you're a group with kids, I think a 3 to 4 night stay for destination wedding groups. Excuse me, you just want a quick in and out. This is a perfect property for that. And I like the size for kids as well, especially teenagers. Young teens could easily walk the resort and you don't even have to worry about them. As a parent of a young teenager, I appreciate that. So here's the main pool. And the infinity pool. So remember we were talking before about having a pool where you can just hang out and overlook the ocean. That is this spot right here. So that's where you find me. And if you're a beach person, that's where we'd probably find you. Let's go look at the water park. A quick pan up here. Those are all the rooms. You'd have to talk to us about room locations and the difference in room categories. These are obviously direct ocean view. Partial ocean view typically are like on the sides here, maybe obstructive with like a tree or the pool or something or another building. Those look like what I would call Wisconsin Dells-worthy slides. Where I am from in the Midwest, there is a huge water park area destination called Wisconsin Dells, which is full of water parks. So to find one at a resort that can compete is always super exciting. So here's the climbing wall, the roll glider they call it, so it's like a zip line. And take a look at some of the activities. Oh, hey, quick note, wedding, privacy. Barefoot grill over here for lunchtime snacks, french fries, that sort of thing. Hamburgers, hot dogs. Oh, this looks like fun. And then there's your zip line. Goes around a big circle. And there looks like a little splash park. And to get up to the top for the slides. Oh, and the lazy river. Oh, I'm only here for one day. Did not get over to this. I would have loved to have been in the lazy river. I totally forgot about it. So have to come back. But if you get yourself here, you definitely have to do the lazy river that goes around to the back of the resort. Sugar Reef Bar and another hot tub. Alright, well, we're 15 minutes in. So you can either jump off here if all you needed to see was the pools. If you would like to keep looking at the rest of the resort with me, check out our vlogs at Shan Honeymoons on YouTube, or contact us at blissfulhoneymoons.com, or I personally am at travelbyblissful.com. I'm just going to show you a little bit more of the lazy river here. Then we'll hop off. And it just keeps winding around. It's so fun. All right, thanks for taking this tour with me. This is Shannon with blissfulhoneymoons.com, and we'll look forward to hearing from you real soon.